There's hella spider webs. I said there's hella spider webs and shit. Okay, go get him. Alright, guys. So the car is completely fully sanded down. You guys see how this was mellow? We put some icy pone on it. Icy pone.
I got this one. This one was all fucked up. Hella bent.
Oh, the hole?
Yeah,
I know.
hole.
And right over here, remember how we had the bullet holes? He filled them in.
Solid.
He filled up that bullet hole. That one. So we ordered an air compressor. We're waiting for that to come in, but as of today, he's gonna start wrapping up the windows, the trimming. So when all that is set and done, for when the air compressor comes in, we could just start he's gonna sand it down one more time. He's gonna get the primer. He's gonna primer it. Are you gonna sand that down after too?
What?
The primer.
With the yeah.
Yeah, and then he's gonna sand it down again with the primer, and then after that, he's gonna start painting it. I would show you guys the other side of the car, but I can't reach over there. My phallus is too fat to get over there. No. So yeah, I'm excited. The bullet holes are gone. Okay, let's get my fat ass around so you guys can see. Ah, what the hell are you doing, Ace? Are you army crawling? Go. You guys see? It's all sanded down, and he just took a piss. Yeah, it looks nice. All we're waiting for now is the air compressor that we ordered, so you could start getting it done for the paint time. I'll show you guys when he starts painting it. I don't need no nigga watching me. I don't need no nigga trying to talk to me. Hoes and niggas, they be salting me.
Magnet, I'm about to get in and out the car.
So what you guys want to do with this cover is put it on all the parts that you guys are not going to be painting. Due to that, you want to put on all the car trimmings, all the rooftop, the windows, the door handles, everything that you're not going to be painting. You want to put the plastic on or tape it, because if you don't, when you start painting it, you will get that on your trimmings, on your whatever. So just be aware of what you guys are doing. So yeah. So right now he is taping up only the back part. Because if we do the windows, he still needs to get into the car so he can move the car out a little bit so he could start painting it. So like I said, guys, make sure you guys cover everything that you guys do not want to paint or want paint on, including the tires. You guys want to cover up the tires. The only reason we're not doing it now is because, like I said, he needs to move the car. The door handles are gonna be covered. The trimming, all this is gonna be covered just as of now, not right now. This is gonna be covered. But make sure you guys are very precise, very almost perfect.
No, not almost perfect.
Because you guys do not want to put paint on something you guys do not want painted on.
Nah, that's already done, yeah, man. Time for primer, man. Hey, babe.
You must want to die. Call me nigga. Do I look like a nigga? Do I got dick and balls? Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video I am going to be showing you guys how he is finishing priming the car, or how he started priming the car, I should say. So here we have, I don't know if you guys seen the last video how he wrapped it and how he sanded it, but here we have the 1975 Chevy Caprice Glasshouse, Verts, whatever you guys want to call it. Last video you guys seen how he had sanded it down, how he had filled in the holes. So yeah, so if you guys didn't see that video, go ahead and go back and watch that video. But here we have how he started primering the car. We are doing a black primer color because we are primering it black because we want to have a dark color. So if you guys want to have a light color, like a light green color, you guys would want to primer it a white color, you know. But because we want to primer a dark color, we are doing a black primer. So as you guys can see, that half of the car is not done yet. That half of the car is going to be done tomorrow. But yeah, here is the side. So today he got done doing the front hood, half of the hood, the sides, and the back part of the trunk. He still needs to do the other half of the hood, the other whole side of the car. But yeah, you guys see how he has the door handles painted as well. You guys want to make sure you guys tape that up, because if not, your door handles will be painted the color you guys are. I showed you in the last video how he taped up all the trimmings, all the windows. He made sure that everything was covered. The bumper is covered, the tires are covered, the front bumper is covered as well, to make sure that none of the paint gets on that. Because if not, as well as this part right here, because if not, you guys will be getting paint on that. So you guys don't want to be painting any parts that you guys do not want to get paint on, you know. So like all this right here, the trimming, it is all taped up. After he's done primering it, he's gonna go over it again with another coat. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that when everything is fully done and primered. So keep watching.